everyone, it's Paige here at Deb's Greenhouse and
Anna.
And today we are going to be planting the Fuchsia mix hanging basket. So to start out, we're gonna just grab a scoop of our slow release. I feel like I'm yelling into the mic still. I'm so used to having to yell.
Yeah, me too.
There.
I think it's fine. It didn't sound too crazy in the other video.
I guess we'll find out. There, so now that we've got our fertilizer in, I'm gonna attempt to water it. This is the wrong hose for this.
Yeah. Oh. Let's go.
Good enough. That was a terrible thumbs up. There. So in our fuchsia mix, we mix 7 different giant fuchsias. So if you want to go ahead, make the holes. And I'll read off. We've got giant peachy.
Here's our formation.
Giant blackie. I believe there's also 7th Heaven, Bella Rosella, and a few more on the bottom. So here.
Okay, which one is this?
This is the giant peachy.
These will have the most insane blooms.
Yeah, that is the blackie, which I believe is like a purpley magenta one. This is 7th Heaven, which, again, these are all going to be, I believe it's red and white.
I'm pretty sure that's the 7th Heaven one.
Yeah, 7th Heaven. That's what I handed you.
Oh yeah.
That's what
I mean. I'm agreeing.
Okay. This is Bella Rosella. It is purple and pink.
Cute. I'm putting that one in the middle.
Don't mind me. Just getting caught on the bench. What do I got back here? Oh, pink marshmallow.
This one's my favorite.
It's like the softest pink. And we've got bicentennial, which here, I'll give you this one to show the camera.
This one's already got a little bloom growing. So cute.
And bicentennial. I want to say it's another pinky purple.
Or is it, I don't know.
Or is it purple pink?
Yeah.
Or is it white and purple?
These little, I feel like the smaller ones, they're all kind of similar, but different when you are comparing them right next to each other.
Yeah, when they're all in bloom, you can tell the specific differences between them.
But right now, it just looks like a lot of green.
Yeah. So we might get Mom to insert a photo of what it looks like done so you guys can see. And these will be available to buy in store this spring. There is a limited quantity, so you'll have to get them while you can.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in another video.
Bye. I actually can't even.
Okay, let's adjust the pants. The wiggles out. Take my glasses off my head. Put them on my face.
Okay, we're starting now. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah. No, I know.
Go ahead, thank you.
The beginning clip. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, wait. We have to do a different.
Have to do the ending. Scrap that. Let's go back to the insert a photo.
Yeah.
Let's insert a photo of what it looks like completed here at the end so that everybody can see what it'll look like in a few months.